Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my online English class. Today, we are going to start chapter number 9, that is adjective comparison. In the last class, we had completed chapter 8, that is adjective, in which we studied about definition of adjective and different kinds of adjective. Then, after particle adjective, and also we solved some exercises based on chapter. So, today we are going to have adjective comparison in chapter number 9. Without waste of time, let us begin the class. Okay children, you can see that when we compare the quality or quantity of two or more things or persons with the help of an adjective, the comparison is one of the following 5 types. Okay, when we want to do comparison in English, we have 5 types of adjective comparison. One by one we will study about that. So first comparison is comparison at a higher level, comparison at a lower level, then comparison at the same level, then the highest level and the lowest level. Okay, so according to these 5 types, we have different types of adjective. Okay, first of all we'll read one example each of the type, and then after we proceed the class. So when we do comparison at higher level, the examples look like that Archana is taller than Rucha. Okay, see, the structure is taller than. Clear? Here we are talking about comparison at higher level. Who is taller? Archana is taller. Clear? Now at a lower level, Rucha is shorter than Archana. Clear, no? Rucha is shorter. See that here the comparison in between Rucha and Archana, in which who is shorter? That is Rucha. Okay. Now at the same level comparison, when we do, the structure will look like this. Clear? Aarti is as tall as Mridu. So here is the comparison between Aarti and Mridu. Okay, so they both all equally tall. Clear? Now at the highest level, so Seema is the tallest among all the student, tallest, and then after at the lowest level, Prachi is the shortest. Okay, so now we are going to study in detail what are these 5 comparison. Okay, let's see. Okay children, you can see that here it is written adjectives have the following 3 degrees. Yes, the first degree is positive, then comparative, and then superlative. Okay, what is positive, comparative and superlative? We are going to study that. See, the positive degree is used to describe a single thing or person or in comparison that are at the same level. Clear? So positive degree is used to describe a single thing or person. Okay, and also do comparison that are in same level. For 2 things we use positive degree. First of all, we want to describe anything, we use positive, and then after, when we want to make comparison between 2 person as equally, no, at a comparison at the same level, we use positive degree. See example, Anuj is very witty. Clear? Anuj is very witty. Here we use positive degree as a description. Okay, we are not making any comparison here. We are simply describe the sentence that Anuj is like that. Clear? Now secondly, Bhushan is as witty as Anuj. See the structure, as witty as Vinesh. So here is comparison between Bhushan and Anuj. Okay, so they both are equally witty. Clear? Now let us talk on comparative degree. So children, comparative degree is used for unequal comparison. Here the comparison is not equal, here the comparison is unequal. Okay, that becomes that between the quality or quantity of 2 person or thing. It is very clear, if we are going to make a comparison, we must need 2 person at least. Clear? Okay, so let us see how unequal comparison is used in comparative degree. So you can see that the Eiffel Tower is taller than Qutub Minar. Okay, so here is comparison made between Eiffel Tower and Qutub Minar. Okay, clear now. So who is the tallest? Who is the taller than Qutub Minar? So the Eiffel Tower. Okay, comparison is the higher level. Okay, then after river Ganga is shorter than the Nile. So here is comparison at the lower level. Okay, river Ganga is shorter than the Nile. Clear? Okay, now let us go for a superlative degree. So superlative degree is used when one thing or person is single out in comparison that involves several things or person. Clear? It's very easy. When we have to single out any person or anything in a comparison that involves several person or thing, means if you have to pick out anybody or anything from the group, then we use a superlative degree. See example, the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Clear? Okay, comparison is the highest level, not a higher level. It's the highest level. We are just picking out Burj Khalifa from all over the buildings available in the world. Okay, here is no description about river Ganga and river Nile. Here is no description about any two thing. Here is the description about one person and then in all over the world. Clear? So the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Now second says Kitty's hog-nosed bat is the smallest mammal in the world. Okay, so this bat is the smallest mammal, that is single point out to the world. Clear? Now I hope that all the degrees positive, comparative and superlative is understood by you all. Now we will see something more in detail. Okay, types of comparative form. We are now going to have types of comparative form. When we do comparison, we have a number of comparative form that we are going to study it one by one. Clear? So usually single syllable words like words take er and est. Okay, some words when we do comparison in comparative and superlative, we use er and est. Okay, when we use er and est, there is single syllable words. Okay, single syllable words. What is syllable? Let me explain you first. You can see here it is written that a syllable is the sound of a vowel that is created while pronouncing the letter A, E, I, O, U and their combinations. We can say that the number of time you can hear the sound of vowel is the number of syllables in the word. Very easy. Okay, children, you can understand that when we use vowels, okay, see that A, E, I, O and U, these all are vowels. Okay, so when the sound of vowel that is created while pronouncing these letters, okay, how much time these letters will pronounce, that much syllable, that much time the syllable is used. Okay, now see how. I will tell you one example. See the word water, W A T E R. Okay, water. There are two syllable. How? W A W, then T E R. So one syllable and then one syllable is equal to two syllable. Clear? So water has two syllable. You can see some other words. Free. In the word free has one syllable. The word eat has one syllable, but the word eating, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating has two syllable. First eat plus ing. Okay, then one syllable and one syllable becomes two syllables. Clear? Like that, the word bio also have a two syllable. Okay, now let us go back. I hope you understood what is a syllable. Okay, we were here, no? So usually the word that has taken one syllable, we use er or est, like bigger and biggest. In positive it becomes big, then comparative bigger, and superlative biggest. As the same, thin, thinner, and thinnest. Okay, so then after second says the same holds to a lot of double syllable words, like happy becomes happier and happiest, narrow become narrower and narrowest. However, many double syllable words retain their positive form and take more or less. Okay, so that types of words always take more or less with them. Example: more faithful and more hard worker, less faithful and less hard worker. Now adjectives with more than two syllables usually form their comparative degree with more or less. Okay, so here we are talking about adjectives that are more than two syllables, like difficult. So they use less and more with them, more difficult and less difficult as the same. Intelligent, it also repeats the same. Okay, now present and the present and the past participle of the verbs used and adjectives build their comparative degree with more or less. Again, whatever adjective particles are there, they use more or less with them. So concerned, that becomes more concerned, less concerned. Cooked, more cooked, and less cooked, like less cooked. So the comparative degree of adjectives is usually followed by than to make comparison. Example: younger than and older than. However, the followings are exceptions to this rule. There are some adjectives that are exception. They do not use than with them, like junior. Junior will take to with them, not than. So junior to, senior to, inferior to, superior to, and preferable to. We cannot say more junior than more senior, just as we cannot use more better. More is not needed because these words are already in the comparative degree, that is, they are already comparing between two things and qualities. These comparative degrees of adjectives do not take more or less before them. It's worth nothing than that a superlative term is possible with these terms. Example: Natali is the junior most officer in the platoon. Then Abhas is the senior most employee in the company. Okay, so that can be used in superlative degree. Clear? Now adjectives good, bad, and far are special cases with the following comparative and superlative degree, that becomes good, better, and best, then bad, worse, and worst, far, further, farther, further, and then farthest, furthest. Now adjectives that take more or less to build their comparative form take the more or the take the most or the least to build their superlative form. Example: active becomes less active and the least active. Important become more important and the most important. Less concerned, the least concerned. Okay, now that I explained you. Okay, then after this chapter is here finished, we will now go for the exercises. Okay, so exercise A is Rama is better than Anuj in maths, but Isha is the best of all the three. So here answer will be best. Okay, now number 2, of the 30 children in class, Amjad is the tallest. Clear? Number 3, Myra's garden is large than mine. Number 4, every girl wore a colored dress, but her dress was more colorful than that of others. Clear? Number 5, It is difficult to find who is in the whole class. Answer will be most intelligent. It is difficult to find who is the most intelligent in the whole class. Number 6, he is more than, okay, he is more careless than anyone else I have met. Number 7, I find the yellow dress prettier than the blue one. Number 8, the fox has a reputation for being the worst animal in all animal story. Number 9, the more badly you behave, the worse your reputation will be. Number 10, I find field hockey more interesting than ice hockey. Okay, now exercise B. Complete the following. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the words given in the brackets. First will be Ram is smarter than his brother. Second, this test is the most difficult of all. Number 3, Harish is more focused than any other boy. Number 4, Mr. Mishra is the most popular teacher in our school. 5, why do you think is a better singer? Who do you think is a better singer, she or I? Number 6, she is as friendly as her younger sister. Number 7, this dress is fine, but I would prefer a brighter one. 8, they all are very good dancers, but I found the girl who came on the stage last the best. This drawing is more accurate than the other one. Number 10, Mr. Singh is the senior to my father. 11, I did not enjoy the show at all, but the last act was the worst. 12, Test cricket is always preferable to one-day cricket. Number 13, the farther you go, the more difficult the path becomes. 14, the most active member in my house is the cat, she's always playing. 15, the doctors are saying that this toothpaste is inferior to that toothpaste. Now let's go for exercise C. Rewrite each of the sentences given below using the appropriate degree of comparison as indicated. Number 1, the red dress was prettier. Change into comparative degree. Answer becomes the red dress was prettier than others. Number 2, he is wealthier than all other businessmen in our city. Here you have to change into superlative degree. That becomes he is the wealthiest of all the businessmen in our city. Number 3, the Pacific is the largest of all the oceans. Change it to comparative degree. It become the Pacific is larger than all other oceans. Number 4, okay, number 4, just wait. Number 4 will be the Himalayas are higher than Andes. Okay, the Himalayas are higher than Andes. So here the answer says the Andes is not as high as Himalaya. Okay, here you have to change with positive degree. The answer will be this. I am writing, please write it. The Andes is as high. Using not also you have to take, no? Okay, so the Andes are or is not as high as Himalayas. Okay, the Andes is not as high as Himalaya is the answer of answer number 4. You will not write this answer. Okay, this is the same repeated here, so we will not write this. Andes is as the Andes is not as high as Himalaya is the answer. Okay, number 5. Vinay scored higher than Ramesh. Change using not with positive degree to show comparison. It becomes Ramesh did not score as high as Vinay. See the format of as and as, that is used in positive degree. Okay, number 6. This test is difficult. The previous one was also difficult. Change to show equal comparison. It means you have to use positive degree. So it becomes this test is as difficult as the previous one. Number 7. She is not as friendly as I had thought. Change into comparative degree using less. So answer will be she is less friendly than I had thought. Number 8. Naman is the best spin bowler in our team. Here you have to change into comparative degree. That becomes Naman is a better spin bowler than all others in our team. Number 9. I found the last sum in this exercise more difficult than the others. Here you have to change into superlative. That becomes I found the last sum in this exercise is the most difficult. Okay, number 10. Mr. Vishwas is the most respected member on the staff. You have to change into comparative degree. That becomes Mr. Vishwas is more respected than any other member of the staff. Number 11. The new school playground is smaller than earlier one. We have to change into positive form. That will be the new school ground is very small. Or also you can write that the new playground is the new school playground is as small as the earlier one. Both can be suiting. Then after, the new principal is strict. The one before him was also strict. Join into a single sentence using positive degree. That becomes the new principal is as strict as the previous one. Number 13. The patient looks weak today. She did not look so weak yesterday. Join into a single sentence using the comparative degree. The patient looks weaker than yesterday. Number 14. It rained heavily in August. It did not rain so heavily in July. Here you have to join into a single sentence using comparative degree. So that becomes it rained more heavily in August than in July. Number 15. Children are very observant. Many parents don't realize how observant children are. Join into a single sentence using the comparative degree. So the answer will be children are more observant than many parents realize. So children, here in this way we have completed exercise A, B and C, and then after all the 3 degrees, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, and then after some forms of course. So till that time here we will finish our video, and then the next class will be for the next video. So till that time, thank you so much and have a nice day.